Hoysaleshwara Temple or Dwarasamudra is a 12th century Hindu temple dedicated to Shiva. It is the largest monument in Halebeedu, located in Hassan district, Karnataka. The temple is about 16 kilometers from Beluru, 30 kilometers from Hassan city, 148 kilometers from Mysore and 210 kilometers from Bangalore. The temple was built on the bank of a large man-made lake and sponsored by King Vishnuvardhana of the Hoysala Empire. Its construction started around 1121 CE and was completed in 1160 CE during the 14th century. The Hoysala period of South India history began about 1000 CE and continued through 1346 CE. In this period, they built around 1500 temples in 958 centers. Halebeedu was originally called Dwarasamudra, a name derived from two Sanskrit words Dwara, gateway or door, and Samudra, ocean or sea. The capital used to be Belur, Karnataka, but Dwarasamudra became the established capital under King Vishnuvardhana and served as the capital of Hoysala Empire for nearly 300 years. The temple has 4 entrances. The one normally used by visitors as main entry nowadays is the northern entrance closest to the parking lot. There is one entry on the south side and 2 on the east side. Facing 2 large detached open pavilions whose ceiling is supported by lathe-turned pillars. The temple originally had an open Navaranga, wherein the temple's pavilions were visible from outside shrines and the outside was visible to those in Mandapa. In the era of Hoysala King Narasimha I, the Mandapa was closed. Doors were added and perforated stone screen placed. According to an inscription found in the temple, along with the 4 doors, the later artists add Dwarapalas and decorations as follows. The temple was carved from soapstone. It is notable for its sculpture, intricate relief, detailing frieze, as well as its history iconograph inscription in North India and South Indian scripts. The temple artwork provides a pictorial window into the life and culture in 12th century South India. Numerous small friezes narrate Hindu texts such as Ramayana, the Mahabharata and Bhagavata Purana. Some friezes below large relief portray its narrative episodes. The Hoysaleshwara temple is a twin temple dedicated to Hoysaleshwara and Santaleshwara Shivalinga, named after masculine and feminine aspects. It has 2 Nandi shrines outside where each seated Nandi face the respective Shivalinga inside. temple faces east, though the monument is presently visited from the north side. Both the main temples and Nandi shrines are based in a square plan. The artwork in Hoysaleshwara temple is damaged but largely intact. Within a few kilometers of temple are numerous ruins of Hoysala architecture. The temple, along with the nearby Jain temple and Kedareshwara temple as well as Keshava temple in Beluru, has been proposed to be listed under UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The temple premises also has the so-called Garuda Stamba, Garuda pillar, to the south of the temple. The interior walls of the temples are quite plain compared to the outer wall, except for the lathe turn pillar that run in rows between the north and south entrances. The four pillars in front of each shrine are the most ornate and the only ones that have the Madhanika sculptures in their pillar brackets. The Hoysaleshwara temple premises include a museum managed by Archaeological Survey of India. It contains numerous pieces of ruins and temple artwork required by the site for close three-dimensional examination.